Aloha guys, this is Miss Ekman. So this is the last lesson of chapter 8 for Business Math 1. And what are we going to do? We're going to use the tables to find the APR of the loan. The objective of this lesson is the student will be able to determine the annual percentage rate of a loan using a table and using a formula. The table, I'm going to give you the picture of the table so you guys can determine the API, okay? So what is determining the APR? You should know, okay, that a lender who gives you an installment loan must tell you the annual percentage rate. This is the APR, the annual percentage rate. Why? Because if you know the number of monthly payments in the final charge, you know per 100 of the amount financed, you can determine the loan's APR. And you're like, why? Why do I need to know the APR? To compare, guys. To compare to a different places that are going to give you the installment loans, okay? So if you go and you wanted to buy a computer and you go to Best Buy and you don't have the money, so they're gonna have a credit and you're gonna go an installment loan. So if you know the numbers of payments and the amount that you're going to pay, you can find the installment loan that they're going to charge you, and then you determine that, oh my goodness, it is too high compared with, I don't know, another place that sells, you know, computers. So, and it's really, really important for you guys to know and compare the APRs. Okay, so the math involved in this one, it is really, really, really easy, but you're going to need that picture that I just told you that I took with the table. Okay, so this table, all the stores have that table, so, and they give you different, you know, APRs, so it's easy for you guys to compare. So in the example, it says here, Lucia Alumnio received an installment loan of $1,329 to purchase a new computer. The finance charge is 80.54. She agreed to repay the loan in 12 months installments. What is the annual percentage rate? Okay, so what is the APR? So the first thing that we have to do, it is to find the finance charge, okay, per every 100 that you owe. So what is it? It is 100 times, this one we're going to do that separately, is a finance charge, okay, divided by the amount, okay, that we finance. How are we going to do that? Again, guys, I'm going to do that from the right to my left. I'm going to do the division first, and then I'm going to multiply. So this one, it is the 100 times. This one was a set 80.40. It was the final charge divided by how much it cost the computer, 1,329. So I'm going to do the division first, then the multiplication, so that at the end, I'm going to have 6.06. So this, guys, it is my final charge. The second, I'm going to use the table to find the APR. So I'm going to need two things to find the APR. First is the final charge, the finance charge, and second, or B, I'm going to use the term. In this case, the finance charge is 6.06, and the term that it says on the example, it was 12 months. Okay, So now I'm gonna go and use my iPad to show you, okay, on the pictures over here, okay? So I think I'm going to turn off this light so you guys can see better, okay? So here it says 12 months and it's 6.06, okay? So I go up, 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 up. So the final charge of the APR, it is 11%, okay? I'm gonna tell you again. So this one, it was 12 months and I go to 6.6 and I go up, 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 and it's going to be the 11%. Okay, so I'm gonna present it to you so you can pass it so you can answer the rest of your homework. Okay, if you want me to send you a picture, if you don't like it like that, if you want me to send you a picture, I will send you a picture, but I believe, this is the best thing that I can do. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know, and keep doing your homework, guys. Keep yourselves, safe and overall out of trouble. Okay, bye, guys.